Hello friends, a report in the Hindu just received says certain sections of media communalize everything, says Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India N.V. Ramana on Thursday said certain sections of the media communalized everything and this would ultimately result in giving the country a bad name. The remark from the Chief Justice of India came while hearing petitions highlighting how some media outlets aired communal contents linking the spread of the coronavirus to a Tablighi Jamaat meet held at Nizamuddin in Delhi. The problem is everything in this country is shown with a communal angle by a section of media. The country is going to get a bad name ultimately, Chief Justice Ramana, heading a three-judge bench, observed orally. The hearing witnessed Chief Justice Ramana upbraid the lack of accountability on the part of social media platforms. The Chief Justice of India said social media platforms only responded to powerful people, while complaints made by ordinary people, institutions, and judges over content were ignored. These web channels, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, they never respond. There is no accountability about the institution, they write badly and then they do not respond. This is the condition of institutions. Forget individuals. They consider only people who are powerful. Institutions, common man, judges, they do not. This is the reality, Chief Justice Ramana noted.